Hi everyone, welcome back to Rooted in Style. For those of you new to the channel, my name is Melanie. If you guys watched my video, you would know I recently came back from a 3-week vacation to find that my Bigfoot plant, also known as macrorhizus Gerrardanthus, decided that it would get infested with mealybugs. So I need to obviously treat that. In today's video, I will go over my care tips and how I treat mealybugs. Let's get started. Yeah, see that? Pretty sure that's a mealybug. And then I don't know what this stuff is. So this guy will be getting a treatment because that looks kind of gross. And some sort of pest. All right, you see that white spot? He's gonna go bye-bye. I don't know if the bamboo makes it more easy to get these types of creatures. Let me know if it does. There's some underneath the leaves there too. Do you see that white? And that white? That's why you always want to check underneath the leaves and also treat underneath the leaves as well, because the underside of your leaves can hide a lot of things. They're like undersides of leaves, and they seem to also like the branching, like if your stem branches into two. Oh, it's really stuck on. This leaf is basically dead. One can argue I should just pull it off. Yeah, it looks like there's mealybugs. Really doesn't want to focus, because the mealybugs go from white to orange. So I think those are mealies. Let's give them a good spray down. All of those branch. And see what I mean? So like when the stem itself branches, okay. So this just doesn't want to focus for me today. Okay. Where the stem itself branches, like here and here, and then wherever it kind of, the leaves branch off of it, that's where these creatures like to be. So I'll keep him inside for today, and then tomorrow I'll be putting him back outside, because I feel like plants are less likely to get pests if they're outside. So it will be my plan for him. So that's how I treat mealybugs. But before you exit out of this video, I have an update for you. Yes, if you're wondering, this is the exact same plant that was earlier in the video. The good news is I have no mealybugs. The bad news is I have no leaves. So this brings up a very important part of pest treatment, which is the spot check. Folks, you really need to spot check the treatment on your leaves to make sure it's not too strong of a treatment and that it won't injure your leaves, because you don't want this to happen to your plant. I read that you can cut back the stems and they should grow another, just kind of like any plant getting fuller. So since my stem is all kind of dead leaves, or no leaves I should say, I'm going to test that theory. So I have my handy dandy clippers, and I am just going to cut this, I think, right here. That way I will have 2 growth points. So if I cut it here, let me see if I can. So I'll have potentially growth points down there, a growth point here, and then I'm gonna cut it. And so we will, I guess, see if that works. Ready? 3, 2. Let's see if I can bring this closer. Okay. There we go. Ready? 3, 2. It's done. I think I'm gonna cut this one too, just because it looks a bit desiccated. So there's his trimming. We will see now that it's summertime, when I put him back outside, if he will grow new stems and hopefully some nice new leaves. So I will potentially post some updates. I don't know how the timing will be for everything, but he's back to looking like a rock with twigs. Wish me luck. So I think this shows that with any treatment, you really need to do a spot test on your leaves. You don't want to have what happened to me happen to you. I do not think that my plant went into dormancy. I think that its leaves were just too delicate for the treatment that I gave it. So in the future, I would have a lot more water to alcohol in that mix. But I do plan on posting more videos showing how my plant is doing. So make sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on those future videos. Until next time, happy planting and stay rooted in style.